Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Want to dominate your PS4 games on PC with precision keyboard and mouse controls? While Sony doesn't officially support this directly for remote play, there's a fantastic workaround for 2025 that opens up a whole new world of gaming. Imagine playing your favorite shooters and strategy games with the accuracy of a PC. This guide will walk you through setting up your keyboard and mouse for an incredibly immersive experience. Get ready to transform your remote play sessions, starting right now. Before we dive in, let's quickly gather everything you'll need to make this setup a breeze. First, ensure your PS4 is powered on and connected to a stable internet. You'll also need a PC or Mac with the official PS4 Remote Play application installed and running smoothly. Most crucially, prepare your preferred keyboard and mouse, along with a reliable third-party remapping software, which we will discuss. Having these tools ready ensures a seamless transition into advanced gaming. Connecting your PS4 to your computer through Remote Play is the foundational step. Open the PS4 Remote Play app on your PC, then sign in with the same PlayStation Network account linked to your PS4 console. The app will search for your PS4 automatically, or you can manually register it using the 8-digit code found in your PS4 Remote Play connection settings. A strong, wired internet connection for both devices is highly recommended for the best performance and minimal latency during play. Now comes the magic, mapping your keyboard and mouse to mimic a PS4 controller. This requires your chosen third-party remapping software. Launch it alongside the Remote Play app. You'll assign each PS4 button like X, circle, square, triangle, and the D-pad to specific keys on your keyboard. For your mouse, map the left and right clicks and configure movement to simulate the analog sticks, offering unparalleled precision. Take your time to customize the layout to suit your personal gaming style perfectly. To ensure the smoothest gaming experience, always optimize your settings. Within the Remote Play app, adjust the video quality to balance performance and visuals based on your internet speed. If you encounter input lag, try connecting both your PS4 and PC via Ethernet cables. Additionally, experiment with different remapping software if one isn't performing as expected. A quick restart of both devices can often resolve minor glitches. Enjoy superior control and immersion in all your favorite PS4 titles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.